Let's play Jingle Bells. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. Left, right, left, left, right. Let's start from verse 1. Slowly, ready, C chord, go. Dashing through the C chord. Snow. Inner C chord. One horse, open, F chord. Sleigh. D minor. Oh, the fields we, G chord, go. G chord, laughing all the C chord way. C chord, bells on bobtail, C chord again, ring. C chord, making spirits, F chord, bright. What D minor, fun it is to G chord, write and sing a G chord, sleighing song to C chord again, night. Oh, let's play smoothly. Ready, 1, 2, and we go. Dashing through the snow. C chord, one horse, open, F chord, sleigh. D minor, oh, the fields we, G chord, go. G chord, laughing all the C chord way. C chord, bells on bobtail, C chord, ring. C chord, making spirits, F chord, bright. What's D minor fun? It is to G chord, write and sing a G chord, sleighing song to C chord. Oh! Let's play chorus slowly. Ready, 1, 2, C chord, go. Jingle bells, C chord again. Jingle bells, C chord. Jingle all the C chord way. F chord, oh what fun it is, C chord, to ride in a D major. One horse open, G chord, sleigh. Hey, back to C chord. Jingle bells, C chord. Jingle bells, C chord. Jingle all the C chord again, way. F chord, oh what fun it, C chord, is to ride in a G chord. One horse open, back to C chord, sleigh. Let's play chorus smoothly. Ready, and we go. Jingle bells, jingle bells, C chord. Jingle all the C chord way. Go to F, oh what fun, C chord, to ride D major. One horse open, G chord, sleigh. Hey, C chord, jingle bells, jingle bells, C chord, jingle all the way. Going to F, oh what fun, back to C, it is to ride. Go to G in a one horse open, back to C, sleigh. Let's play verse 2 slowly. 1, 2, C chord, go. A day or two, a C chord, go. I, C chord, thought I'll take a F chord, right. And D minor, soon Miss Fanny, G chord, bright. Was G chord, seated by my C chord again, side. The C chord, horse was lean and C chord, lank. Miss C chord, fortune seemed his F chord, lot. We, D minor, ran into a G chord, drifted, bang and G chord. There we got up C chord, set. Oh! Let's play verse 2 smoothly. 1, 2, and we go. A day or two ago, C chord, still C. I thought I'll take a F chord, right. D minor, and soon Miss fair, G chord, bright. G chord, seated by C chord, side. Back to C, the horse was lean and C chord, length. Still C, misfortune seemed his F chord, lot. D minor, we ran into G chord, drifted, bang, G chord, and there we got up, C chord, set. Oh! Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Let's play the full song smoothly. Ready? 1, 2, C chord, go. Dashing through the C chord, snow. C chord, 1 horse, O F chord, sleigh. D minor, oh the fields, V G chord, go. Still G, laughing all the way, C chord. C chord again, bells on bobtail, C chord, ring. C chord, making spirits, F chord, bright. D minor, what fun it is, G chord, to write and sing, G chord, a sleighing song tonight, C chord. Oh, let's go, chorus, C chord, the bell, C chord, jingle bells, still C, jingle all the way. Get ready, F chord, go. Oh, what fun, C chord it is to ride D major in a one horse, O G chord, sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, C chord, jingle bells, jingle bells, C chord, jingle all the way. F chord, oh, what fun, C chord it is to ride G chord in a one horse open C chord, sleigh. Verse 2, C chord, a day or two ago, C chord. Still C, I thought I'll take F chord a ride. D minor, and soon Miss Fanny Bright, G chord. Still G was seated by my side, C chord. Back to C, the horse was lean and lank, C chord. Still C, misfortune seemed his lot, F chord. D minor, we ran into G chord in a drifted bang, and G chord, there we got upset, C chord. Oh, chorus, jingle bells, C chord, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Go up to F and we go. Oh, what fun, back to C, it is to ride D major, one horse open G chord, sleigh. Hey, again, jingle bells, still C, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Going to F, oh what fun, back to C, it is to ride G chord in a one horse open sleigh, C chord. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.